Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to customize Replit settings step by step. First, open Replit and sign in to your account. Once you're on the main page, click the menu icon in the top left corner to open the navigation menu. Here you'll find several options, including Home, Settings, Notifications, CLUI, Theme, and Help. To customize the appearance of Replit, click Theme. A menu will open with three options: Light, Dark, and System. Select Light if you prefer a bright interface. Choose Dark if you like a darker workspace that's easier on the eyes. You can also select System to let Replit automatically match your computer's current theme. Next, you can open Settings to review your account preferences, check notifications to manage alerts, explore CLUI if it's available on your account, and use the Help section whenever you need support or additional information. That's all you need to do to customize the basic settings in Replit. You can change these options at any time to match your personal preferences and improve your overall experience. And that's it for this tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Replit tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.